Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina if you are new here. So today I am going to be doing a morning skincare routine that I do. I just woke up, so if I sound a little raspy, that's what's going on. So I got my tea here. This is fenugreek seed collagen peptide, MSM powder, and I used tangerine, positive energy, the tangerine flavor. So the key to like healthy, glowing skin is what you put on the inside of your body. Collagen is really good for your skin, it's good for your nails, it's good for your hair. Fenugreek is really good for your skin and your hair also, and MSM is really good for just hair, skin, nails, everything. Collagen is also good for your bones and tendons and gut health also. So I always like to start off in the morning with this little concoction. So the products that I am going to be using today is for my cleanser. I like to, first of all, don't come for me in the comments. I like using bar soap on my face. My face loves it, but I don't use any bar soap, okay? I like to use this anti-aging soap. It's with goat milk, okay? So whereas bar soap will dry your skin out, true, but the goat milk in here replenishes the moisture in your skin. All right, so we have goat milk and green tea in here. Everybody knows green tea is a antioxidant, so therefore it will clear and get rid of all the free radicals that is going on underneath your skin. And it is a anti-aging soap. It's an anti-blemish, revitalizing, and uplifting. So this is really good to use in the morning time because it has that, you know, that revitalizing feeling to it. I will link where I got this in the comment section. All right, so after I cleanse my face, I like to go in. Now this is the morning time because the nighttime I do something different. I do a lot of scrubs, a lot of peels, a lot of, you know, nighttime stuff. But in the daytime, I try to keep it simple. I try to keep it cute, okay? So I like to use this Ambi Even Clear Tints Clarifying Toner, really good. Then I go in with this vitamin C Ageless Serum. You know, I am 47, about to be 48, and I just want to make sure that anything that's anti-aging that's going to help my skin, I'm here for it. All right, so let's just get on into it. I'm going to go ahead and wet my face. Be right back. All right, so I have the soap in my hand. This is a little one. This is like my third bar of this soap. I really like it. It has a really good lather, and I'm telling you, it is really, really not drying at all. You don't want to get this in your eye because just like any product, it will burn. Okay, so keep your eyes closed. I like to do this for like 30 seconds to 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. All right, all clean, and I'm telling you, I don't have to wash my face twice when I use this. Let me get me a paper towel. I like to use these paper towels to dry my face. And then I'll pat the rest. I like to wipe around my eyes just in case, you know, you gotta get the crud out of your eyes. Sometimes you might have leftover makeup from the night before, so, but then I pat the rest of my face. Look, already my face is clear and vibrant. Like it says, revitalizing. You can see it already. Next, like Next, I go in with this Ambi Even and Clear Intense Clarifying Toner. It adds glow to the skin, minimizes pores, and helps to even skin tone. It has licorice extract, vitamin C, and apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and give it a quick little shake, and then I just spray it over my face. Woo, that felt good. That feels really good. I also have a little fan to start the drying process. That just feels so good. This fan it even wakes you up even more. So before it completely dries, I go in with the vitamin C Ageless Serum. It says it revitalizes, okay? So I like to take maybe about 2 or 3 drops. Okay, let's go for 5. Rub that on the tips of my fingers. I don't put it in the palm of my hands because I feel like that's just a waste. So I put it on the tips of my fingers, pat it in. You can already see my face starting to just light up. Now, after that, you can smear it in a little more. I like to just kind of like go up in an upward motion. That feels so good. Now next I'll go in with a moisturizer, and the moisturizer I use is this Fenty moisturizer with SPF. The SPF in this is 30. I do not believe that is enough. Okay, so I add another SPF on top of that, but before I do that, I only put 1 pump, honestly, just for the moisture. And again, I only put it on the tips of my fingers. And then I go in and I try not to put it around my eyes too much because I am going to put on a revitalizing eye mask. So next thing I like to do is do a under eye. I don't do this every morning, but if I had a long night and I'm tired, you know, I will wake up with some bags, and I do have a little bit. Naturally, I have bags anyway, but you can minimize that with this here. So this is it is a Precision Beauty Skincare Solution under eye pad. It is infused with cucumber to reduce and soothe under eye puffiness. So this is perfect for the morning time. So let me go ahead. It is only 1 in here. I mean, it's 1 pair. Let's go ahead and put this under my eyes. All right, so you put 1 up under your eye here. Oh, that already feels good. So you got 1 there. You have 1 here. And you leave this on for about 10 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes, depending on how big your bags are. So I have that on. And I got my cool ball. I got this out of the freezer. Once you get your eye patches on, you're gonna take this. Oh my God, that already, oh, that feels so good. And the cold ball just rolling over your eye pretty much just added extra soothing properties to your under eye. That feels really good. So I'm gonna do this for about 3 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for another 2 minutes. All right, so I am back. By the way, I already brushed my teeth, gargled, flossed, did all of that stuff before I started. So just in case you was thinking that, your girl already did it. All right, so these are pretty much done. It's been about 8 or 9 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. All I do is just kind of like rub it in some more, just to. All right, so today is a rainy day. And it really don't matter, you still need your SPF. Because guess what? Even sitting in front of your computer, on your phone, it still radiates some type of rays, okay? So you want to be protecting your skin even inside of your home. So all I do is maybe about that much. I've seen people do 2 lines on your fingers. I'd be looking like Casper the Ghost if I did something like that. So again, just on the tips of my fingers, start off, and then I just go ahead and get that SPF up in there. Oh, the SPF that I choose to use, that I like, that my dermatologist said is really good, is this this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 100. Now, y'all must say, you don't need 100, you know, and that's true. You don't. I think the most they say that's effective, you can do like 35 or 50, 45, something like that for it to be effective. But me, I just do what my dermatologist told me to do, and now I have clear skin, because there was a time, and I'll put a picture right here, where my skin was not acting right. And this was probably about 2 years ago. And it took me about 1.5 years, almost 2 years, to perfect my skincare regimen and to find the products that work for me. And I finally have my skincare routine down to a science, the morning and the evening, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you want more videos like this. And I can also film my nighttime skincare routine, because it has steps, masks, detox. It's like everything, okay? So I can film that also. Give me a thumbs up for that. And yeah, that's it. That's all that I have for you. It's very simple. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 products. Well, you don't have to have 4, but 4 products for sure. If you have any questions, last but not least, I like to re-moisturize my lips. And I'm using this. I have a bunch of lip moisturizers and scrubs and stuff, but this one is called Coconut Nourishing Lip Mask, and I got this from Bath and Body Works, and it really works really good. It's coconut, so it's not too oily, but it's nourishing. Feels really good, smells really good, love it. So yeah, let me get a little closer so you guys can see my skin. That's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. And as always, remember to stay focused. Keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until the next video, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.